Hello everybody, this is Renee Harrison and I am going to show you how to add a custom signature similar to this in your blog posts and in your emails. Okay, so first we're going to go to My Live Signature. It's mylivesignature.com, and you're going to want to go ahead and register for that. I've already registered, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, so I've already got a few made up here, but I'm going to make a new one today. So you're going to want to click New Sig. And then there's three ways you can make a new signature. You can use the signature creation wizard, which I'm going to show you how to do that today. You can hand draw your own personal signature, which I've tried and it doesn't work well because I use my mouse and it doesn't look natural or anything, but if you want, you could try that. And then using a scanned image in which you get a copy of your signature and then you go ahead, scan it, and send it to the designers of My Live Signature. And then they will go ahead and get you a signature as well as a HTML code. So it looks similar to this. This is a scanned image and then the actual signature there. Okay, so let's get started. So go ahead, you'd want to enter your name. I'm going to go ahead with just my first name. Okay, and then hurry up. There we go. Okay, so there's up to 120 different fonts that you can use. So they'll give you, 1 through 10. You get 10 examples on each of these. There's just a ton of them. So this is kind of fun part here. Just pick whichever one you like. I'm going to go ahead and just do number 13 there. So then our next step is we need to select size. Now I suggest doing size 3 or 4. I believe I did 4 before in my post. It just fits pretty good. And then this here is where you pick the color. So you can do a background color. I prefer not to. I think it just looks better that way if I don't. So it's just transparent. That's the default setting. And then this is the text color. So if you want, you can change that. These little arrow deals, you can decide, what color family here. I'll just go ahead with blue. And then the crosshairs, you can just kind of, decide what shade of blue you'd like. So I'll go with that, and then you can preview it. Change color. That looks fine, so I'll go ahead with that. Then the next step is the slope. It gets crazy down here. I wouldn't suggest doing that. It's more like, a natural, how you'd write your name type slope. So I'll go with like maybe a 3 or 4. I'll do 3. Next up. It's pretty easy, as you can tell. So then you want to just save it. I have like different names for different ones where I use in different places. So I'm just going to put, like first name for my blog. So we're done with that. Okay, now we're going to use it. So you do this little tab here called Use Sigs, and we're going to generate the HTML code. So you click that, and then generate a code for your handwritten signature. Yes. And because I have several ones, I actually have a drop-down menu. When you first do it, you just have the one. So I'm going to do that one there, and there's my signature. And then you just generate your code. Okay, there it is. So we're going to cut and paste. Control C. And I've already pulled up my blog here, one of my posts, and what you want to make sure you do is, this is the visual, you want to get into your HTML view, and then you go down here. I already have one in here, but I'm just going to swap it out for my other one. Okay, so that's that, and then I'm just going to Control V, paste in the new one. Alright, and then this is the new visual. You'll see, there it is. Cool. Alright, so then I would go ahead and update. Okay, and then as you can tell here, Alright. And there we go. There's the new one right there. So pretty cool. And then also, I'll show you I have an Aweber account, which I highly suggest to everyone to get. I do have a blog post written on this. Aweber's awesome. It's got an autoresponder, everything. But it is HTML enabled, so you can, write messages in HTML. So it's perfect for what we're doing today. So to do that, we're going to get our cursor approximately where we would like our signature. Like I put, here's an example of a custom signature I created in my live signature. Okay, so there I put my signature right there. So just keep your cursor there, and then you want to go to the source, which is all that funky code here, and then without messing your cursor at all, you just Control V that code right in there, and then if you go to your preview, it will be right there. Okay, so again, I'll do that real quick. We go to Design tab, and we're going to put it right here again. So put the cursor where you want the signature to be. I've already copied the code. So then we're going to go to source, and we don't have to do anything. We just Control V, and it should just pop right in there, right where we want it to be, like so. Okay, so that's it. It's really rather easy. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me and visit my blog. It's innovativemlmsuccess.com. All right, look forward to helping you again. Thanks.